Learning English speaking. For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.
One cold, dark night, Grandpa sat in front of the fire in the backyard of the house, with the little children around him, all of them looking up at Grandpa's wise face, their eyes turned toward the sparkling flame. It was quiet, and the fire was burning silently in the middle of the night. Then the grandfather began his story in his deep voice. A long time ago in a small village, there were 10 loyal friends. They had been living together and spending time together since they were young. The friendship between them was stronger than anything else in this world. They met every day for only 10 minutes. But these 10 minutes were more precious and powerful than any other time. In these 10 minutes, they were talking and sharing their dreams, ideas, and secrets. They always said that these 10 minutes made them feel more energetic and happier in their lives. They did not have much time to spend together due to their busy work and family, but they knew the importance of these few moments and preserved them with all their might. Over time, their lives changed, they moved to different places, and they communicated less. But they never forgot those 10 minutes they spent together. Those few moments were a reminder to them that true friendship is never forgotten and that difficult times and distances cannot fade away. And here they are today, after many years, meeting again with the same passion and love, because they realized that true friendship remains strong and constant over time. The fire gradually went out as the story ended, and the place remained silent for a few moments. Then the children laughed and applauded, and they felt real warmth not only from the fire, but from the true friendship that unites them. Thus, the grandfather's story about the importance of friendship ended over the course of only 10 minutes, and left in the hearts of the children throughout the temporal fabric of the story a profound message about the value of true friendship in our lives.
For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.